In this short video, we are learning how to format a Microsoft Word document. So, a typical document like this one, for example, I've shown here, downloaded from Microsoft Word website. So, this document, it has it title or I mean, that's the title. Then you have different sections and you can have the headings. You can put the headings there. You have multiple styles of the headings. So let's say you do heading 3, heading 2, I mean, whatever heading style you want to do, you can do it. But there are other ways, I mean, there are other features as well, like if you want to add a header, for example, and also you want to add page numbers to it. So then you typically click on insert and then you can do header. So under the header, you can do something. I mean, there are multiple options for the header. You can choose one of those. So let's say we do this one, and we can say document title as tutorial for formatting tutorial. So you can have option uh, to center your text here. So what happens here, once you create this one, or you can change it so that it is visible. Let's make it a little better. So let's do the font color to be white. So that way it will be visible all through. So you can see that in all pages uniformly this header is applied. So this is how you can insert a header. Header can have multiple column. You can put multiple structure in the header. You can put a table even if you want to do uh, the way you want it. It should be meaningful, but you can do that. Now you can also insert the footer, or let's say the page number. That is very useful situation. It's a very important use case, let's say. So you have multiple options for the page number. Let's choose a random one. Let's say this one I want to do um, bold, anyone. So I put it there. So you can see that it is included in the bottom of the document. Now you can create a new section in the document as well. So for that, actually, you have to do insert and then you need to do a page break. So you you need to go here, you see. So you can click the page break here, and that way you see you have the page break and you create a page break there. So let's Control Z this one. I'm just reverting this one. Now you have option to create a page break and create a brand new section out of it. So for page break, actually you can create a page break and initiate a new section at all. I mean all the as a whole. So you can see the breaks. I mean there is a page setup pane. Under page setup you can see the breaks. You can click on that. You will see all kind of breaks. You can see next page, insert a section break and start the new section on the next page, or you can do continuous, insert a section break and start the new section on the same page. So let's say we want to do that, and then what is going to happen, it creates a new section. So you can do whatever the section title, and then you can type in the section title, make it a new section, use the appropriate font, and you can move forward with that. Let's do Control Z to revert the document back to the previous format. And then under the breaks, you can do continuous, insert a section break. Let's say I want to do a section break here. So what you can do, go to break and then create a insert a section break. So that way there is a new section break introduced here, or you can do it anywhere like here, for instance. So you see a new section has been created. So that's how you can do the section break. You can do the You can print the line number as well. So you can see the line numbers are printed here. Let's Control Z this one. Uh, so yeah, that's good. And then you have other things that can be done, like the columns. You can make a two column page, and you can come up with something like that. So just you have to go to the column. You can create a three column page as well. You can do left left column. I mean, just keep on changing the stuff. You can now convert it back all to the one column. So that's there are multiple ways. I mean, multiple options here. Um, I mean, there are other options as well. You can see the orientation. Normally it is in the portrait mode, but if you put it in the landscape mode, it will look like this one. Let's revert it back. You have the margins. You can define the margins. This is the custom. This is an example. This page has used custom margin, but you can use something predefined as well. You can put this one. So your margins are different now. So that way, actually, using different layout buttons, you can make some changes. So let's say you want to align the entire document. So you can do align to, now it is aligned to margin. You can use align to page, um, or you can use different align options. So that's all about formatting the document. Try to explore more. Like you can double click and then right click, and then you can see paragraph. I mean, how to create a paragraph here. So you can do this paragraph different options with that. You see alignment, body of text, so line spacing, I mean, all those things are within the paragraph section. You can have other options with the line and page break as well, uh, for if you want to call it at some point in the Word document. So typically what I've done here, I have right clicked this selected lines and create a font, I mean, went to paragraph section, and that way this window pops up. Okay, so these are some cool features of Microsoft Words, and for doing the formatting and so on. So that's a quick lesson, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to call me back. Thank you.